Hey guys, today I have a Roper washer and Kenmore electric dryer. Now, both of these machines are actually made by Whirlpool. That's kind of why they look exactly the same, sitting side by side. The last few series of washers and dryers, refrigerators, and all that through Kenmore were actually made by Whirlpool. And this little surname that you see here kind of designates what big box store you bought it from. So each big box gets a different little surname. You've got Roper, Inglis, Amana. It's all owned by Whirlpool now. Anyway, this one's filled up. Full water usage there because I have it set to the deep water wash. Now we've got it on a normal regular cycle, so it's not going to spin forever agitating. It's kind of the difference here. You get a longer agitation for more soiled clothes going with heavy. Does not have anything to do with how much water it uses. So you've got a few different options on here. Just about anything you need to get washed, you can get clean with your different options there. So as you can see, it's filled up with water. It's doing an excellent job agitating, getting those clothes nice and clean and mixed up. And then next I'm going to come back and show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to. Has a nice, fast, smooth final spin. And then when it's all done, we'll come over here to the dryer. And you get to see and hear what they sound like in here. And I'm going to show you that it's heating as well. So we'll go ahead and just wait on that washer there. And I'll come back here in a sec. Alright, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. It's draining that water out. Now what it's going to do from here is it's going to spin to extract the soapy water, the used up water. Then it's going to fill all the way back up for the rinse, agitate, and then it'll drain out that fresh water in the rinse cycle. And then we'll be on to the final spin, which is what I will come back for next. Show you that it's nice, fast, smooth, and everything works as it should. Kind of the point of this video is if you were standing here yourself checking it out, you get to see that everything works perfect. When you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. You know, when I shop and spend my money, that's what I'd like to know. That's what I look for. So when I sell an item, that's how I like to do these videos, so you know everything's working perfect. So we're going to let it do its thing, and we'll come back for that final spin cycle. Okay, coming into that final spin cycle, it's about up to speed, and it'll get a little bit faster as the clothes extract more and more water. But as you can see there, spinning nice and fast. And it's a nice smooth operation. Sounds great. And if I didn't mention it, you wouldn't be able to lift this up when you get it home. I have an extra one of these, and that allows me to put it right here. So we can have this open and I can show you what's going on. But when you get it home, this will be down, it'll be locked, and you won't be able to lift that up, if I didn't mention that. So I'm gonna let this finish up and then we'll move over to the dryer. Okay, now we have the washer cleaned out. You see a nice large capacity on that one there. We come over here to the electric dryer, and I've got it running time dry, high heat. You've also got an air only, no heat setting, so super delicate items here. Then you've got a auto dry on low heat, and so you can set it all the way out to here and just kind of let it rip and it does its thing. And then you also get a 40-minute wrinkle guard, so this gives you time to come back and get this folded up. So every 5-10 minutes it's going to kick in for about 5 minutes and shut down for 10, kick in for 5, and that keeps it from letting the wrinkles set in, so you can get back and get it folded up. Your lint traps right here, you want to make sure that that gets changed out before each and every load, and then you push to start. I've already got it running. Should be nice and hot, and I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So it's 85 degrees on top of the dryer. If we shoot this down here, it's about 72 degrees on the concrete floor. Let's go ahead and open this up. You can see everything's tumbling. Shoot this right inside the heating element tube. So the heat comes out of this little tube right here. So it's really hot right here. That's going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195. Just depends on how long it's been running and what you have that heat setting at. So we'll push those back in there, close that up. All right, I'll go ahead and let that finish up. We'll get these listed up for sale, and I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. You guys have a great day.